Hey guys, it's morning. Lane is making breakfast tacos. He's gonna be making potato, egg, and bacon tacos. So to go with that, I'm going to be making some creamy jalapeno salsa. The one that you can find at Taqueria Ronda's or other taco stands. And the only ingredients in this salsa are jalapenos and garlic and oil and some reserve boiled water in case you need it for consistency. So right here you can see my jalapenos are boiling, and once they're boiling we'll be taking them out and I'll show you what's next. Okay, now that my jalapenos are boiled and garlic cloves, I'm going to take them out, de-stem them, and probably take the seeds out of 2 of them. And the other ingredient is half a cup of oil and a teaspoon of salt. So let me go ahead and get the jalapenos ready. Okay, I've got the jalapenos out, de-stemmed, 2 of them de-seeded. So they're ready to go in the blender. So I'm just gonna drop them in here. And you can use a food processor or one of those immersion blenders. I'm gonna use a regular blender. Stick them in there. Hot. With the garlic. The salt. And the oil. Okay. Now, don't dump your water out that you boiled your jalapenos in, because if the salsa is too thick, you're going to add a little bit of it in there. So we've got to puree this until it's the right consistency, which could take up to 5 minutes. Okay, our creamy jalapeno sauce is done. I didn't blend it for 5 minutes. I probably blended it for like 3. But we're gonna pour it out in here. It's definitely the right consistency. I didn't need to put any extra salt either. It'll last in the refrigerator for at least a week. Oh, look, there's my tacos. Lane's finished. They look good, huh? Bacon, egg, potato, cheese, and onion, and creamy jalapeno sauce. I love this sauce. When I go to the taqueria, I eat it a lot. But here it is. You would think that there's sour cream or something in here, but no. It gets the creamy from the garlic and the oil, I think, combination. There's no sour cream, cream cheese, nothing like that. No dairy in this salsa. It's just jalapenos. And there you have it. Taqueria green creamy jalapeno sauce. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna enjoy my tacos. Bye. Get your grub on.